This video is of the XCP VendaVolt electricity timer payment station. In this application, it's being used for electricity to time payment on pickleball and tennis court lighting. They're charging $20 per hour for playing in the evening pickleball or tennis court. The NIAX is programmed for $20 for court number 11 or court number 12. You select whichever court and make payment with your credit card or your Apple Pay on your cell phone, or in this case also tokens. Many customers don't want to be tracked by the United States government of their credit cards, so tokens are an option. With tokens, they select either court number 11 or court number 12 with the selector and then drop in their token. Inside the cabinet, it's got a triple lock system. Here's your token acceptor that can be programmed for any type token, including the XCP token. And it's expandable up to 23 different outputs. Then back here are the timers. You can program them. They're cumulative timers, meaning you can add more money, more tokens, or credit cards for longer time. How it works is we take the output from the coin mechanism or the NIAX, and we convert it from digital to analog, meaning inside each of these little boxes are little opto relays that convert the digital signal to like a switch closure. Forgive the little birdie in the background. Now this location is the Palmetto Dunes Tennis Center in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. They have the largest facility with 24 courts. For more information, contact XCP Corp 352-678-3021 or drop us an email, sales@xcpcorp.com. Thank you for watching our video.